Well, I got a catalog, and I was thumbing through it, and I saw that, and I thought, I bet your girl would like that.
Yeah.
These are the ones you wear underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the catalog.
Yes. Let's hope it's big enough.
The standing work very well. They didn't wrap it.
That's the biggest they had.
The boys thought you needed this.
The boys.
The boys. All the boys.
The dog signature required.
Well, they tell you.
Has Shad gotten his present yet?
Has Shad gotten his present
Two, Shad?
Yes, ma'am.
You know. Gosh, I don't know for sure. Are you hanging on to all the parts of that?
Yes, ma'am. It's all right.
Okay.
Pretty much first.
yet? Ooh, good smelling stuff. What is that? Autumn sunset.
Merry Christmas.
Merry, Merry
That
Christmas.
says MacBook.
Well, thanks for not all these different
No, no,
stuff.
that's why I don't get too excited.
We're fully expecting a backflip here.
I'm just glad I'm glad it doesn't have dog food or something like that.
Or bubble wrap.
Wow, look at there. It is a MacBook.
It is a MacBook.
Look at, what do you say?
Well, thank you very much.
Show us the backflip, Papa.
Who bought this anyway? Y'all shouldn't have bought this.
That's from everyone.
It's too much
The
money.
joint effort. No, it's a joint, that's what's the only present you got.
Did you find my billfold?
Yeah. Joint effort, that would be better.
What?
I said, that's better.
Hope it
Jake,
works.
did you too? No. Why?
Oh, yeah.
Sneak over there in Denial City. Oh yeah.
Bring
All
your
right.
comment. Just wanting to get it on video.
Now we'll have to duel.
Yeah. I think Shad is on a trip today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. He was supposed to go on an out and back today.
It's booting up.
Oh, it is?
Did you hit the button?
I hit the button.
Oh, okay.